Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make rose water at home for your face. Rose water has amazing benefits of the skin. It helps to soothe and hydrate the skin, reduce redness, inflammation, and it also has anti-aging property. Rose water is also incredible hydrating for the skin. It helps to soothe and calm any irritation of inflammation, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. Another benefits of rose water is that it contains antioxidant which help to protect the skin against damage caused by free radicals. This can help to prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking youthful. So first you will need some fresh rose petal. Make sure they are organic and pesticides free. Rinse them thoroughly and with water to get rid of any debris and dirt. Next, place the rose petals in a pot and cover them with distilled water. Make sure the water level is about an inch above the petals. Once it started boils, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the petals have lost their color. After that, place the petals on top of the pan and turn the heat up again. Make sure the petals is upside down so that the covered side is facing downward. Let it steam for about 30 minutes for until you have enough rose water in the bowl. Transform the rose water into a clean glass bottle, a spray bottle, and you can store it in the fridge for up to a month. To use, simply spray the rose water into your face and apply it with a cotton pad. So you can use it as a toner, after cleanser, your face, or anytime throughout the day. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means everything to me. Creating content is my passion, and to knowing that you enjoy it makes all the hard work worth it. Whether you are here for the laugh and inspiration and just to pass the time, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am constantly striving to improve the bring you the best content possible. Your feedback is always welcome and appreciated, so don't hesitate to reach out. I promise to continue bringing you entertaining, informative content that you can enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.